the girls with their nails done now.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you how to use the MicroGen Importer, which has been developed graciously by PranaDeva. So I'll be following a very simple procedure to explain this concept to you. So here, as you see, I have opened the HeaWea Microgen software, which is free and it contains nearly 40,000 programs by now. And you see here, the moment you open it, you see 40 kilohertz general. That is the first program you have. So why I'm showing you this window is because just to tell you that it does not contain any terrain or DH experimental frequencies or any other presets yet. These are the preloaded ones. So let me quickly go to the website now from where I have to download the MicroGen importer. This is the website spooky2tools.com, and the moment you go here, the first window, the first page will be like this, and you directly go to the MicroGen importer under the topic databases into HeaWea Microgen, importing Spooky2 presets and databases into HeaWea Microgen. So directly we go here. This is a screenshot of the MicroGen importer window. Then we go down, and there you see the MicroGen importer setup.msi file. This is a zip file, so you have to click download. So for the ease of this demonstration, I've already downloaded this onto my computer, so it is in my downloads folder here. This is a zip file, so you have to extract it here. You get the executable file. This file you have to double click. I've already installed it, so I'll just tell you how to go about. So once you continue with this, you have to continue with the installation because I have already installed on my computer, so it is showing repair. So otherwise you will have to just click next, and then it will install your MicroGen importer. Once you have the importer ready with you, what you have to do is you have to go into the search icon here, that is shown as a lens icon here down next to the Windows button. Here you have to go into the search and then type MicroGen Importer. MicroGen Importer you see here. So you have to click it. Okay. So once you click this, now there are options of import DH, import terrain, import any preset you have saved in the user folder, or import any CSV file. So let me just quickly click import DH and import terrain one by one. So this is a very simple procedure because according to this software, you don't have to download the uh, DH experimental files or the terrain protocol CSV file. So this already takes care of that. So I just click import DH button. Before that, I should tell you that when you go inside this folder, which is C drive program files x86 MicroGen, this is the folder where your MicroGen gets installed. You will see that there is no custom.csv file here. In this folder, you will have a custom.csv file formed once you import DH and import terrain or any other option. So let me go back to the software again and let me click import DH. Please notice here, as I click import DH, a custom.csv file will get formed here in the same folder. So that would mean that our importing is successful. So let me click import DH. The moment I do that, you see custom.csv file has been added now. Once again I import terrain. Now the terrain protocol has also been now added to the custom.csv file. Okay, so these are the two things which I wanted to discuss. And if you wish to import any presets you have added yourself, so you will have to go back, you will have to click the import preset button, and it will take you to the preset collections user folder, and here whatever presets you have inside the biofeedback scan, these are the ones which you save after the biofeedback scan. So any of the preset you can double click and it will save your biofeedback results into the MicroGen directly. So that is how you can load any of your preset, and this is just for if you want to save your specific programs, or if you have any frequencies in your mind and then you want to import those frequencies into the generator, even you can import CSV. So that is little more advanced, so we should leave it right now. Now I just want to show you what the custom.csv file looks like. Once we have clicked the import DH and import terrain button, you see that the first column shows you all the DH programs starting from 1 till perhaps 400. See here, all the programs have been beautifully uh, added here. Okay, there are few very good programs added. I think it is beyond 400 now. It has reached 412 programs, and the DH412, the last program, also contains the latest issue elimination. So followed by DH frequencies, you have terrain protocols starting from terrain 01 to terrain 15, that is your normal terrain. And if there is any mercury filling you have, then you have to go for the terrain mercury program 1 to 15. And if you feel more sensations with the terrain, then you can select the terrain non-violent program from 1 to 13. So you see, these many programs have been added to the custom database. Now I close this file and I go back to the MicroGen software. You see here, the moment I go here, it is again showing me 40 kilohertz. Why? Because I have not pressed the refresh button. So let me press the refresh button in the programs tab. I press this, so it is again reading the database. You see here, now all the custom.csv file programs or the presets have been loaded automatically. So that is all you have to understand. It is very simple to use this MicroGen Importer software. You see, all the DH frequencies have been loaded. These are the DH frequencies, followed by, let me just type terrain. I just want to confirm. Yeah, see here, all the terrain protocol files also have been saved. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you so much, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. I'll be sharing more videos how to use HeaWea also. So thank you everyone for your time. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.